The surveillance camera captured a terrifying moment as a woman was walking along the sidewalk on her way home. Suddenly, a strange man got out of a car and approached her. The man blocked her way and tried to snatch the bag from her hands, but she refused to let go. Then, an elderly woman heard the cries for help. Despite her age and frail condition, the elderly woman bravely rushed out with her cane in hand. Her fearless act startled the thief, who immediately jumped into his car and fled.